I'm a mechanical engineer by training, both a BE and an ME, and then completed my PhD over in Australia in computational and experimental aeroacoustics of all things. But in a nutshell, really focused on airflow and energy use associated with that. What's been our team's strength is that we've got mechanical engineers and chemical and process engineers that come together to work as a team to identify ways that things can be made better. It's very easy to do something on a small scale, but when you have the biggest plants in the world, right here in New Zealand, there's some challenges as these plants get scaled up, and ensuring that airflow is optimised, temperature profiles, pressure profiles, all of those things need to be right to ensure that you can produce a very good, high value, high specification product. And then of course to be able to do that reliably. A lot of our focus has been all about taking an existing plant and being able to improve it to the point where it can produce product that it never used to be able to produce previously. Our challenge moving forward is to be able to reduce even further the energy inputs. How do we get a 10, 20, or dare we even dream 30% reduction in the energy required for these plants? Our research, I guess, stretches across the whole gambit of we will model on the computer using computational fluid dynamics, and then of course we need to validate those models, and we then obviously use that as a valuable feedback mechanism to fine-tune our computer model. And then of course we can then use those same computer models to then scale up and look at a full-scale plant and identify what needs to be changed and improved. We've then been involved in a number of projects where that's been installed and implemented, and these are where it's exciting to be a part of seeing these large multi-million dollar facilities, to be able to increase their capacity by 10, 15, 20%, and to see their energy inputs reduced by 10, 15, 20%, and at the same time being able to produce higher quality products that meet a higher customer satisfaction and specification. It's exciting to actually be involved from the very conception of the idea to seeing it through to not only what's in the factory, but knowing that those concepts and designs are being installed in dairy factories built all over the world.